Aries, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is Aries, Sun, Rising, Venus. So let's have a look at what is going on in your love life, what's going on in the current connection that you're in. Okay. This is going to be for the remaining days of December 2021. Okay. What is going on with Aries and the person they're dealing with? What is the situation for Aries and the person they're dealing with for the remaining days of December 2021? Looks like someone out there is very focused on themselves. Let's see. This is for Aries. Let's see. What happened in the past? What is the current situation? What is on this person's mind? How does this person view Aries? What do they feel deep down? How do they want to move forward with you? Okay, what's going on behind the scenes? What is advice for Aries? And what is the best possible outcome? Aries. Overall energy, we do have the Six of Swords. So it does look like Aries, you are trying to move away from this person out here. It's almost like a connection where you just can't do much. You've done all you could. And now you've reached a point where this is all I could give in. There is not more I can do. Okay? So there has definitely been an ending between you both here. Things could have started off well in the past, but I think this person out here didn't grab the opportunity with you to make things more stable. Okay? So it's almost like an opportunity was presented to you and this person out here, but things just didn't fall through. Okay? It just didn't take off ground. Which is why there was an ending between you both here. Okay, now this person out here, how they, what is on their mind is that they want a union with you. They feel a very strong connection to you, alright? And this person is on the verge of making a decision out here. They don't know what to choose. In their, on their mind, if this is someone who's non-committal, then this person wants you and does not even want to commit. So this person out here is at the stage where they want to eat the cake and have it, okay? But they got to make a choice. They can't have both. How they view you as the Four of Cups here. So they probably see you as a missed opportunity. They see you as someone, you know, who probably, you know, even if they want to make you an offer out here, there are probably chances that you will reject that, okay? In their feelings out here, I feel that this person out here, if this person was not giving completely to the situation in the past out here, they definitely want to give in to the situation. But keep in mind, this person is kind of selfish, like I said before. Because they know that you're not going to give into the situation, because if you want commitment with them, then they're not choosing commitment and they still want you at the same time out here, no matter how much love they have for you, they're still choosing to give to this situation in their feelings only because of their selfish motives, which is that they want to be with you, okay? But the chances of commitment are very, very low, okay? Now, how they want to move forward with you with the Seven of Wands here? So I feel that this person has blocked you. For a lot of you, this person could have completely blocked you out, alright? And I feel maybe this person out here is not responding to your phone calls. Or, you know, they're just very defensive right now, okay? They're choosing not to act on a situation. In fact, they have their guards up, is what I'm getting. They have trust issues. They do have a lot of regret here, is what I'm seeing here, okay, behind the scenes. They probably feel that everything is over and done with. It's like that energy where they just feel it's all lost, okay? This relationship can never be salvaged. So yes, they are coming off as a point where they probably feel that it's over between you both and it's never going to be able to be recovered again. Your advice is to move on with the Ten of Swords here. It is what it is. You just need to move on, because with the Strength card out here, two things. This person is going to continue holding back from you. Okay, and if you want to make this relationship work out, or if you want this relationship to work out, you're going to be the one who's going to have to put in all the hard work. This person out here, they do care for you, but they want you to do all the work. So it's going to be up to you, Aries. Six of Swords. I thought Six of Swords. Yeah, maybe you're dealing with someone here who was friend zoning you all this while. Okay, so this person out here kept you in a friend zone. You know, they probably did have love for you, but like I said, they didn't want to commit to you. So they probably kept you at bay. What's the Ace of Pentacles in the past? Yeah, see, this person was holding back commitment. Even if this person wanted or had an opportunity to make it happen with you, they still held back. They were still a closed book. This person was very secretive. Maybe they felt it was too much work. Maybe they felt it was hard work, okay? Or maybe they just were not ready to probably put in the work and take things to the next level out here. Or whatever it is, They knew that effort is required. Effort is the key to make it work out between you both. But either you were the only one putting in all the effort, or they just didn't put in any effort at all and didn't even appreciate what you did. The world, again, walking away. You close the chapter, you took control of the situation, and you walk away here, setting healthy boundaries. What's the Lovers? Okay. So see, this person wants to make things right. Okay. Now, for a few of you, this person could already be married or in another commitment, and they need to make a choice if they want you or they want to choose the person that they're currently in a commitment with. For the ones who know that for sure this person does not have anyone else in the background, that this person who wants to balance things out, okay? They do feel this connection with you, that spiritual, emotional, physical, mental bond with you. You know, they feel you're their soulmate and they want to balance it out with you, okay? They want to make a fair decision here, but they need to make a choice, okay? What's the Four of Cups? Yeah. They feel your guards are up. They feel you don't trust them. They feel that you've almost given up. Things are stuck and stagnant. And probably they realize that even if they make an offer to you, there are chances you will reject them. Okay, they fear rejection, and you're being very defensive right now. You're in no mood to entertain this person. What's the Six of Pentacles? See, this person here is extremely attracted to you. Okay, they want to invest into this connection, but at the same time they want to stay emotionally detached. You know, they don't want to be emotionally vulnerable to you. So what happens? They try to run away from their feelings. They're very attracted to you. Okay, they see you as badass. They see you as the one. They see you're the shit to them. Okay, and you could even be having a lot of suitors, but they want to invest into this connection now. Why? Because you're slipping away from their hands. So it's like, no, wait, don't go. You know, I'll give you what you want. But it's more like a trap. It's more like a strategy to get you back into their life, or let you, or to get back into your life. Okay, whatever it is. What's the Seven of Wands? Yeah, Page of Swords. See, they're still defensive. They're still watching you, keeping an eye on you, trying to do more research out here. Okay, you're definitely dealing with someone here who says that I want you to myself. I love you very, very much, but I'm not ready to take the responsibilities that come with it. Period. That's the kind of person you're dealing with. So they're very interrogative right now, very defensive, you know, trying to deeply analyze your behavior, trying to check you out online, you know. Probably there are some small short messages that come in from this person just to try and test the waters. But yeah, they are in that defense mode, okay, where they know that they can't have their guards down. If they have their guards down, you're going to have your way. So they want to keep at bay. What's the Five of Cups? Yeah. See, what's happening here is that even if they know that they see you as long term, okay, they want this union with you. So what's happening here is that they do have love for you, okay, but this person out here is looking for romance, okay, and you're the only one that they want to romance. But the thing is that they are not looking at the reality. They're not looking at the picture, the real picture out here. They know that it's over between you both, and they also know that if they want to make it work out with you, they're going to come and correct. But that's something that they're not doing. So what they want to do is they want to come in and keep wooing you all the time. Okay, they want to come sweep you off your feet, you know, love bomb you, okay, and have just a lot of romance around this connection, so that you forget the commitment part and you can just be with them in the relationship. Okay, but I'm telling you what the truth is. They do want long term with you, but they're not coming in correct, is what I'm getting here. That's what's going on behind the scenes. What's the Ten of Swords? What's the Ten of Swords? Yeah, you do what they're doing. You need to get your guards up. You need to get your guards up. Move forward, okay? Don't let this person in unless and until you are 100% sure that this person is going to be the right person and they're going to commit to you, or they're going to give you what you want. Because this person probably is coming back around because they can't let you go, okay? But they're doing the same thing again, alright? What's the Strength here? Strength. Yeah, see, things are not known, right? So what's happening here is, even if they want to work this connection out with you, okay, they definitely know, like I said, that they need to put in a lot of effort, a lot of hard work out here. Without that, nothing's going to be moving. Okay, they know that they have reached a point where there's no completion. It is just the beginning. Okay, they haven't even started to put in that effort to work on this connection. So even if they want to put in the connection, put in the hard work out here, they expect you to do all of it. Why? Because with the moon out here, this person is like still not sure. They're lacking clarity. They don't know what's going on. They don't know if you still love them. You know, they're just very unsure and indecisive out here. So probably they're going to hold back, okay, till they don't do their research, is what I'm getting here. But they eventually will come around. Okay, they will come around because they have a lot of love for you. Okay, they do, and they want to date you. They want to be with you. Okay, they want to express, find the courage finally, and express how they really feel out here. But the advice for you is that there is a cycle that's ended between you both, and it is better that you accept that ending, okay, and either move on or then wait for this person to come towards you correctly so that you can start a new chapter with them. Okay, till then, just keep your guards up. Okay, keep your guards up. Don't contact them. Don't try to talk to them. They will come back around. Okay, if you continue being at the place that you are. Okay, so that's what I have for you, Aries. Hope this reading resonates. I'll see you next time. Bye.